SuperNoah and welcome to my math channel. Come and learn multiplication with SuperNoah, SuperMath, and friends. This is SuperNoah. This is SuperMom. This is SuperDad. This is Fire Guy. And this is Dr. N. Today, we will learn how to multiply by the number 2. It's just like skip counting by 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on. Important facts before we start. This symbol is for multiplication. Anytime you see this, it means to multiply. 0 times any number will always be the number 0. Number 1 times any number will always be the number it was multiplied by. For example, 1 times 1 equals 1, 1 times 100 equals 100, and 1 times 1,000 equals 1,000. A number multiplied by 2 will always be an even number. Multiples of 2 leave no remainder when divided by 2. These numbers are exactly divisible by 2. Number 2 is a prime number. So let's go. 2 times 1 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. 2 times 3 equals 6. 2 times 4 equals 8. 2 times 5 equals 10. 2 times 6 equals 12. 2 times 7 equals 14. 2 times 8 equals 16. 2 times 9 equals 18. 2 times 10 equals 20. 2 times 11 equals 22. 2 times 12 equals 24. Come back anytime you want to practice the number 2 multiplication. Thanks for watching. I'm smart too. Check out my website supernoahsupermath.com for merch and educational products.